Yes, Etsy people, if you're looking for those amazing St. Patrick's Day design trends to sell on Etsy, then this video is for you, mate. I'm going to give you some profitable design trends that you need to be listing up for real quick. And remember, you got to list up way before the time. I keep saying it. Don't list up on the same month. Don't list up 2 months before. It's got to be months before the time so that you can marinate your listing and get the Etsy algorithm to favor you. It needs to favor you, man. Guys, my name's AJ and I do all things Etsy. Check out my playlist on design trends so you can get your profit and list up way before the time. Now, check it out, mate. I'm going to show you right now St. Patrick's Day design trends, 3 of them that you can design for real quick and make sure that you get in there before everybody else does, man, because that's the key to this. You got to be quick in the game. Now, check this out, man. Look, I'm looking at page 1, right? So I'm just going to go down to on page 1 and I'm going to give you some ideas and ways that you can actually find these design trends. Now, obviously, one of the ways that is really important is when you see designs that are selling, right? Selling really well. And also making sure that things are actually on the page, organically. You can see that things are using Etsy ads, but you want to see the ones that are on here organically. Sometimes the Etsy ads gives you an indicator, but I like to go for the organics. And you can see that things like these will sell all day long. Now, some of these ones that are your traditional ones, and I believe will sell year on year, and it's a definite trend and it is a working one, is this one here. You can see gnomes are very popular. Gnomes will sell during Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, and even St. Patrick's Day. And this is a bundle of these gnomes. You can see them here. Really cute, really cool with these clovers, 4-leaf clovers around it. Obviously, St. Patrick's Day flavor. And you got these really nice designs of these gnomes. Remember, the gnomes have to be with the hat covering the eyes because these are the important ones. And these are the ones that sell the most. So bundles of gnomes or gnome-related designs is a really good one to sell for St. Patrick's Day. Now, do remember that sometimes to confirm this, it's a good idea to go and check out and look down. So when I go down on page 1, I can see that here is another one. If you see a design repeat itself, then it's a very good sign that is definitely going to be working and selling for this St. Patrick's Day, right? And this was a typical example of another design here for a gnome. And again, you can see the hat covering the eyes and the 4-leaf clover flavor. Very much something that's going to sell, right? So I look for repetition too, especially on the first, second, or third page. Definitely like to do that. Do check out my playlist on the trends, guys. I like to show you trends before the time so that you can make that profit. Now, I also will find you something else. So gnomes, definitely. And I like to go down. Now, remember, there's something that is definitely been working a lot, right? It has been working a lot. In many different holiday times or celebration times, whether it be Christmas or Halloween. And it's a certain style called the Coquette style, right? The Coquette bow tie style, okay? Now, here's a prime example of it here. You can see it here. And this is your Coquette style bow tie. Now, it's been a winner on many different times of the year, and I believe it's still going strong. And I think it will go strong also for St. Patrick's Day. So definitely list up some kind of Coquette bow tie styles for St. Patrick's Day in that kind of flavor, add that kind of 4-leaf clover with it, make it in that kind of green and kind of gold style colors. But definitely something to think about. And I believe that design trend is trending really well and will continue to trend. Okay. Then I'm going to show you something else that is also pretty cool. So I like to scan and go down. And remember, as I scan and go down, I look for repetition. I look for things that come up. And look, here's something that is also very, very interesting, right? And you can see again, the Coquette that I just showed you has repeated itself here, but in a different style. This style is also very popular, and it's your 9 designs in 3 lines of 3. And what I mean by that is you can see in this line, you can see 4-leaf clover, Coquette. Again, another smaller 4-leaf clover. With this one, you got Coquette, you got the hat, and you got 4-leaf clover. Coquette. And again, there is a certain style here, the symmetrical 9 designs in rows of 3 that is also selling really well. Sold in Halloween, sold in Christmas, obviously with different elements. Like Christmas will be gingerbread man, Christmas tree, Santa, but it's selling well. Also, I believe it will do well also for St. Patrick's Day because it's a design trend that comes across and it literally will sell in many different times of the year. Again, I go down and you can see that the gnome is repeating itself again in a different format. So the gnome is a big one, and you can see other creatures with, if you like, hats on as well, which also can work. There's also your kind of, I call them your evergreens, right? Not necessarily design trends, but evergreens, things that will sell all the time. And this is like your clip art pack, like this one, where you can see things that will sell all the time, like elements, design elements, synonymous with St. Patrick's Day. You know, like you got the hat here, you might have like a 4-leaf clover and various other elements to do with St. Patrick's Day, possibly. Again, in the colors, watercolor style. So there are also elements that are not necessarily just trending and work for 1 year, but things that will sell year on year. As the St. Patrick's Day comes round again, it will sell. And I like those evergreen designs. So do also consider those because they're also very big. But as I go down, I like to see things that repeat themselves. As I go down, I do like to see, and you can see that the gnome is repeating itself many times. So definitely a winner there. And again, as I said, these bundles work really well. You got another bundle here, you can see it. Again, this is a cool bundle, St. Patrick's Day bundle in that watercolor style with various elements that are synonymous with St. Patrick's Day. So guys, those are the design trends. Those are the sort of evergreens, if you like, the ones that will sell year on year. These are the fantastic ideas that I believe you should be going and listing up for. Remember, look at Etsy, look at page 1, 2, and 3, look at what repeats itself, look at what you can see, especially because it's months before the time. That's when you should be looking for those trends, because those trends are going to start growing, especially as buyers come on the platform and start buying for St. Patrick's Day. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and do check out my channel and my playlist. And I'll see you on the next one, man. Take care, mate. Take care.